months ago, we were at this development, and I promised the guys that the next time that we make a visit, I probably will be showing you guys the model unit, like a tour of the model unit or just the progress of what is going on. Unfortunately, in this video, we won't be able to capture that moment for you because the model unit has not yet been built. And it's for good reasons, all right? So hear me out. Tessera has promised to be a very beautiful development, but they have made some changes, and I'm sure you guys are going to appreciate these changes, all right? So the design of the unit has changed. You'll be getting a larger unit in terms of the master bedroom, the bathroom, all right, and also the closet. But guys, as you can see, it's very windy today. I hope you can hear me properly. I'm going to be giving you guys another drone tour of the development. The last time that we came here, we saw a lot of trees. You couldn't really see how the layout of development was going to be. But I believe that now there is a clearer picture of the first section that I can show you guys in this video. And I'm going to give it that flyover right now so that you guys can see and understand better the layout, as well as I'll be giving you some additional information in terms of the changes at this development. So just before we go into the drone shot, here are the changes that are taking place. So the house design has changed to accommodate a larger master bedroom suite with a walk-through closet and a larger ensuite bathroom with a double vanity. So they've also decided to add a pool, clubhouse with gym, mini mart and cafe, and an outdoor gym, jogging trail, multi-purpose courts, playground, and a garden in the recreational space. So now you see the reason why the model units are not yet on the property, because of changes like these. So these things will have to be incorporated also in the model unit so that when you come here, you can see it. But for those persons who have not yet applied for their units, you still have time to go ahead. We have different phases coming, so if you miss out on phase 1 or if you miss out on phase 2, you have different sections to the development, so you want to book your spot from now. Also guys, a part of the verandah.A project is not about just building houses, but you'll be having agriculture, you'll be having commercial spaces. Just beside Tessera here, there's a lot that is reserved for commercial buildings, all right? So it's a commercial space. I'll just give you a quick glimpse of that in the background right here, as I give you a drone shot. So this will be a complete project. This will be a city within itself. But guys, I'm going to be giving you the drone shot of the land that has been cleared here at Tessera. And I'll see you guys on the other side of that video. And I hope that you can appreciate what the layout will now look like, given that a lot of trees are now gone and more land has been cleared. So I'll catch you guys on the other side of this. Alright, so it's very windy. It's a lot of dust. I hope you guys heard me clearly in the first section of this video, but I just had to come out of all that breeze. I'm already under the weather. The dust will make it worse, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. We will definitely be keeping you guys posted with the development. All right, like I said, the model unit will still be up in a matter of probably about 2 months or so. I'll keep you guys updated on that. But because of all the changes that they have made, including the amenities, they had to ensure that these things were captured also in the model unit. So guys, we are patiently anticipating what this development is going to be, what it's going to look like, what it's going to feel like, and just the difference that it will make, all right, in the Bernard Lad project, in the community in Jamaica. All right guys, so remember to always like the videos, share the videos, subscribe if you are new. If you are not new and have not yet done so, still go ahead and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in another video. If you miss the updates, check your notifications so that as soon as I post the videos, you will know. And remember, in the description you can reach out to the developers for additional information. You can read on their website. If you're interested in making a purchase, visit their website or contact an agent today, and don't miss out on this beautiful development. So guys, we'll catch you in another one. Peace out from Chris, and as always, bless up on yourself.